Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can make DS4 Windows output PS4 icons or PlayStation icons when you're playing certain games that actually have support for it. So when you've got DS4 Windows open, and you go into, this menu where you see, this is your controller, this is my PS4 controller. You can hit over here, you can hit edit, and this will bring up your settings for this settings profile, the default profile for DS4 Windows. And if you go over to other, this controls what emulation type DS4 Windows is currently using to tell your computer what this controller is while it's open. Now by default, it's going to tell your computer this is an Xbox 360 controller because that's the most compatible controller for playing games on your computer. Now, if you want to try with whatever game you're using to see if it'll display PlayStation buttons and use this as a PlayStation controller, you can switch the emulated controller mode to DualShock 4, which will change it to pretending to be a PlayStation 4 controller, even if it's a Nintendo Switch Pro controller or Switch Joy-Cons or whatever, it'll pretend to be a PS4 controller. And then you can just hit save here at the top. And then it'll take you back to the main menu. And this is now registered as a PlayStation 4 controller on the system. If this makes it so your game stops working and it's not doing what you really want it to do, you can go back into here, go back to edit, go back to other, and change it back to Xbox 360 at any time, and then hit save. Unfortunately, there is no way for this to emulate being a Nintendo Switch Pro controller or a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con at this time, and because this controller driver's not really getting any more updates, at least not from the current developer Ryo-chan, you're probably not going to see that added anytime soon. So with that in mind, this has been a brief look at how to change the controls to display or output a PlayStation controller. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.